meet again. Live. You're live. I'm there with Shiba and my sister.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I'm with
Like seriously?
Yes, Judine. We're having lunch. What I'm having for lunch today, I'm having, I'm going to show you guys. I'm having curry chicken with rice, peas, pasta. Don't look at
Listen, my plate is not big. It just has different compartments. Okay, it has 3 compartments, but I'll still show you. I'm not going to lift it up.
Why not lift it up?
Now eat up some of my food first.
So later, and you guys come. Wow. You want to see her when she brings food like she work on Sunday? My girl brings 3 plates now. 3.
Hello. Rice, chicken, vegetable, or fish.
So why not put all 3 in one?
No, because you need to separate it so you can eat. You can eat a vegetable, and and then you eat your. But wait, no man, I'm not going to live.
No, I'm not going to fuck this. No, I'm going to look something. Let's have some fuck again. Let me go back inside for a fuck. Oh, my God. Can't leave out the fuck, That's like nice. Gee, what's that?
Like seriously, I'm not eating any rice, so I'm eating breadfruit with vegetables.
If you're asking to be healthy,
so I am. When I do have the food, I eat healthy.
So you don't want some rice?
No.
You really don't want some rice? More for me then, don't you?
I leave the rice and peas in the pot. I will eat breadfruit.
Guys, I pretty nice though.
Breadfruit, chicken,
and vegetables.
And a vegetable.
So we're going to indulge in this right now. So you get back to this food. Oh, there's Judine. We're just coming from lunch.
Yes, and I have me a bend down on the ground.
I should love you.
I'm back. So, what? Oh boy.
Yeah, or you feel like you have 6 there, yeah. So we're just coming from lunch. We're about to go in now, but I forgot full of a bottle of water. So how much more hours to go in on time?
Oh boy.
What's it 2? 3 more hours. That's not too bad. So that's what's up. So you're talking to them before we leave?
I don't know, depending on my break time.
No, you can be break time or what time is it? Nothing. 6. Yeah, so maybe we can catch her. Come on. Yeah, so we can talk to them before we leave. Alright. So we chat back to you get back because we don't want to yes.
I'm gonna comb up my earrings so I look nice too now. Because Peter can catch my off guard, so I'm gonna comb my ear and look nice too now. Yeah.
Guys, I'm not here at this time. What's that talking? She don't see nothing yet. So that's what's up. So talk to you later, you guys. I'm on my last break. Just checking. Ryan stated that you want to air you guys up before I go in. So I swear. Yes, so this vlog, what I'm editing right now, we'll give you a piece. So this vlog gives me a warm time, hence why it's that posted so late yesterday. I really do apologize for the late vlog, because as you guys know, that's not me. I try my best to upload vlogs by 8 AM Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, so basically, yeah, when I finish editing stuff, I'll get back to you guys, because I know that you guys want to watch my vlogs as soon as possible, because you guys, some persons are messaging me on my Facebook fan page. As I said before, guys, all the links are below. My Facebook fan page, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my PayPal, and my all my socials are below. Remember to especially my Twitter. I'm always talking on Twitter, so if you don't see me posting, I'm always up there updating you guys. So just ensure that you guys are following, stay tuned, I follow back, comment, let me know, we can talk, we can be friends and ask. But anyways, I'm getting back to this right now, and I'll speak to you guys as soon as I'm finished, okay? This vlog, and as you guys know, what I basically did today, nothing really. I just like went to work, had food, chilled, did dinner my lunchtime, and come back home. I wasn't really in the mood today, so I kind of distanced myself from everybody because I was just upset. But I came down, I calmed down, so right now I'm good. So I want to say that tomorrow, in tomorrow's upload, I'm supposed to be doing a lot of stuff, seeing that I have back-to-back day off, so I might go on the road. We have a lot of things in store, but just stay tuned, grab yourself a popcorn and your drink, and just sit back and watch Peter Gay life. So this is where I'm ending today's vlog. I really do apologize if this vlog is short, and I know that you guys don't like long vlogs because you guys are always messaging me and say, Peter Gay, I want longer vlogs, no short vlogs please. But for this vlog, not to worry, the other vlogs gonna be longer. But yeah, it is for Vlogmas Day 4, and I see you guys in Vlogmas Day 5. Goodbye for now, and as you guys know, thank you again for supporting me, Peter Gay Lifestyle. Remember, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button below, click the bell so you'd always get notification when I post, and also comment and share my YouTube channel, tell a friend to subscribe, seeing that I'm always doing food vlogs, I'm always going out chilling with my friends. And what I would like for you, as I said before, the PayPal is down, the link is there, so you can just click it instead as well, and follow me on all my socials. So it is right now, I'm going to my bed, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, and have yourself a wonderful day. No, night, no, morning, whenever you guys watch this. Goodbye for now.